This was the launch of the Sipekne'katik Treaty Fishery almost 2 years ago, a celebration that quickly ended because non-Indigenous fishermen reacted with violence. About 200 people surrounded a building that stored the Mi'kmaq lobster catch. They threatened to burn the building down while a Mi'kmaq harvester was inside. Crates of lobster were dumped on the ground. Earlier this month, 25 people faced charges of break-and-enter, unlawful assembly, and forcible entry. They will avoid court if they participate in a restorative justice.
The double standards are unreal. It's, I don't even like using the word Canadian anymore. It's just...
Sipekne'katik Chief Mike Sack believes justice will not be served by going this route.
And then I just learned today that restorative justice is something that people are pushing for, because they were trying to take another route with them and they were going to get off scot-free.
Not so, says senior Crown Attorney Brian Cox.
We retain the option to continue with the prosecution at a later date if the individuals who have been referred are unsuccessful with restorative justice.
Restorative justice is the best option, senior Crown Attorney Rob Kennedy says.
It invokes traditional restorative approaches and education, understanding, community building, and we felt that was the most important aspect of this case.
The Mi'kmaq fisherman who was surrounded inside the pound does not want to meet with the accused, but Kennedy says the process will continue.
It will involve members of the Indigenous community participating, particularly individuals that are involved in the fishery, elders from the community, as well as the Mi'kmaq Legal Support Network itself.
The executive director of the Mi'kmaq Legal Support Network, PAULA Marshall, supports restorative justice for the 25 men.
This is a really serious event that happened, and though it may not be reflected necessarily in the charges that were laid, we want to make sure that there is proper education, that there is accountability, and that Mi'kmaq needs will be heard and met.
A hearing is scheduled for next September for an update of the restorative justice process. However, the Crown expects more time will be needed. Angel Moore, APTN National News, Jabukduk, also known as Halifax.